to my channel. I'm sorry, actually, that intro was actually a little spooky, or I wanted to have it like that. The thing is, I was just traveling and then I was watching a movie called Who Am I? In that, few scenes were a little spooky, so I wanted to recreate it. It's not my typical style, it's not the way how I edit videos or make videos. I just wanted to have it there, okay? So, yeah. Again, my name is Pranava Rao, and this video is basically about me starting a new series called as Become a Hacker. In this, we'll be starting from the journey of being a zero, as a zeroth level of a hacker, to becoming a professional ethical hacker. We will go through the journey wherein I'll be bringing the contents from maybe industrial certifications like CEH, CPENT. We'll be bringing in some concepts of that into this channels and this playlist as we go forward, or by some other modules and other academic sources, so that we'll stay integrated with learning from zero to professional, which is also going to be helping you to achieve your certification exams or any such ambitions which you have. So this video is the episode 0 of this Become a Hacker series that I'll be starting with. So to stay tuned in, you can hit on that subscribe button. It will notify you whenever I upload the next videos. So stay tuned in. Don't miss out. Don't miss out even a single episode of my further videos. So till then, stay happy, stay smiling, stay hacking safely around. Yeah, please be careful. Never get into such situation where you'll have to be given a nice little silver bracelets to wear. So don't get into that situation. But yeah, with that, hack safely, right? Yeah, be ethical hacker. Okay then, bye bye.